Boom shakalaka! Bitcoin broke out of the bullish megaphone exactly as predicted in the first week of January, and today is a historic day for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I'm going to tell you exactly why. Well guys, Bitcoin broke through $30,000 today, shooting up outside of this bullish megaphone in just a few hours. And actually, if you take a look on the 4-hour candles, like I discussed in the live stream yesterday, Bitcoin is actually broken above the bullish megaphone, and now it's finding support on the upper bound of that bullish megaphone. That's insanely huge for Bitcoin. But that is not the historic day we're talking about for Bitcoin today. And this isn't it either, but it's worthwhile to mention that 2021 is the 50th anniversary of the fiat currency we know today. It was 50 years ago when Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. Who knew that a fiat currency would only last for 50 years? But in the news today, Bitcoin price climbed past $30,000, liquidating $100 million of shorts. But we're not talking about that, guys, because the big news today is actually this chart right behind me. This chart showing the total market capitalization is at all-time highs forever. Okay? Back in 2017, 2018, the total market cap was between $820 and $830 billion. Well, guess what? We have broken that today, $844 billion. As I'm making this video, this is now really a new all-time high today, January 1st, 2021. Now, it should be no surprise. We've been talking about this on the channel a lot. We mentioned this yesterday in the live stream. The number of entities with a balance greater than 1,000 Bitcoin is at all-time highs. These are institutions, these are companies, these are very wealthy people buying into Bitcoin. Not only that, but we have massive transfers of Bitcoin from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase Custody. That's basically Coinbase taking Bitcoin from the trading liquidity pools and giving it to institutional investors and large companies, selling to them on Coinbase Custody. And we can see here, guys, 34,000 Bitcoin got casually taken off exchange in just the last few blocks. You can see with this blue line here, all that 34,000 Bitcoin. That's basically probably one company buying Bitcoin. They just buy a huge amount over the counter. And because of that, people hear about it. They're like, well, I better start buying Bitcoin now. And this is the retail FOMO causing the price to go up. This is retail investors causing the price to go up. And that's the retail investors affecting the price due to the decreased supply thanks to all these institutions buying up Bitcoin. Now, where is Bitcoin likely to go? Well, it's already broken through the $30,000 barrier. And that was the first Fibonacci extension, but there's more Fibonacci extensions. As a matter of fact, if we take a look, the next one would be at $46,000. That's the next price target, okay? It's another $10,000, $13,000 above where we are now, another $46,000, and then beyond there, $73,000. This is getting ridiculous for anybody who's been in crypto for a while. It seems ridiculous, but it could very well be true. So you might be asking, well, when's the pullback back to $5,000? When's the pullback back to $10,000? It may never be coming. But Willy Woo, one of the best analysts that I know, he says, hey, if you're looking for an entry to hodl Bitcoin long term, don't nickel and dime an entry. You're not going to sweat a few $1,000s of non-perfect entry when it's $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 in a year. He goes on further to say, the main bull phase is here. Capital inflows has gone nuts. So institutions are buying in. Everybody's buying in right now. You don't want to get left behind because as we can see, the price can shoot up 10% in a day just like that. And not only that, but we're above this bullish megaphone. So that's going to be the new support. So actually, if we scan out, we can see the price with this support is only going to keep on going. This white line. There we go. It's only going to keep on going. All right. The longer you wait, the further, the higher the price will be. So guys, that's it for today's episode. If you did enjoy that, make sure to like it, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.